channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for Palak Pakoda or spinach fritters. This is a perfect snack for this time of the year when the weather is getting chilly. Here I dip the spinach in chickpea flour batter and deep fry in oil. It gives a very nice crispy and spicy tea time snack. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for that. I'm going to make a very small batch. You can of course double or triple the recipe. Here I have around 10 to 15 spinach leaves which I have washed and dried. Half a cup of chickpea flour, also known as gram flour or besan. The spices you need are 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon each of black pepper powder, red chili powder and cumin seeds, some salt to taste, a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste, some oil for deep frying. All these spices I showed you are optional. You can just make it with salt and red chili powder. But adding all these spices not only lends to the flavor but also produces enough heat to digest the deep fried fritters. So we'll begin by making the batter. Before that you can heat the oil for deep frying. To the chickpea flour I'll add all the spices. Firstly, I'll mix all the dry ingredients, and one tip to get very crispy pakodas is to add a tablespoon of hot oil. So you can take the same oil which you have kept for heating and mix it well, and then you can make a fairly thick batter by adding little water at a time. So I have prepared a fairly thick batter. You can see the consistency. Now it's time to start frying the spinach pakodas. So I just dip the spinach leaf into the batter, and if the spinach leaf is very big you can just fold it into half or quarter like this, and again dip it in the batter. So in this way you can fry all the spinach. So I'm going to drop the spinach pakoda into the oil. Be careful with your fingers. Same way I'm going to fry all the other palak leaves. To get very crispy pakodas, you have to keep the heat at low to medium. The palak pakoras are all done. They're cooked on both the sides and they've got a nice golden brown color, and also they're very crispy. So we can take it onto a tissue towel. The spinach or palak pakodas are ready. This is how they look. So you can hear the how crispy they are. I'm gonna serve the palak pakodas with some hot chai. So make them to warm up your winter evenings. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.